dear students. So now today we will solve question number 5 of exercise 16.4. So now we have already discussed about area parallelogram, that is base into height, and area triangle, that is 1 by 2 base into height. So with the help of this formula we will solve the problem. See, first of all, see, the question is the area of rhombus is 119 centimeter square and its perimeter is 56 centimeter. Then we have to find what is the altitude of that triangle. First of all, write down area is 119 centimeter square and perimeter is 56 centimeter. We know what is the rhombus. So rhombus are those closed figures in which all sides are equal. All sides equal. So now perimeter of rhombus is 4 into side. What is the perimeter? 56 centimeter equal to 4 multiplied side. When we divide 4, then 4 1 is 4, 4 4 is 60. Then we find what is the side? That is 14 centimeter. All sides are equal. Now area of rhombus, that is base is multiplied by height, and base is same which are the side, that is 14 centimeter. Area is 119 centimeter multiplied by 14. Then you will get that is the height altitude, that should be 8.5 centimeter. Okay, now write. Now after this, see question number 6. Question number 6 is find the altitude corresponding to the sides within 14 centimeter in a parallelogram whose area is 217 square centimeter. First of all, what is given? Write down. Question number 6. See, side of the parallelogram, that is 14 centimeter, and the area of parallelogram 270 centimeter. Draw the parallelogram. A, B, C, B. Suppose that one side of parallelogram is that is 14 centimeter. Okay, draw the perpendicular or altitude, that is A, B, C, D, that is E. Now, what is the area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram, that is base multiplied by height. What is the area is given as 217, base is 14. We have to find height. Same. Height is equal to 217 divided by 14. Okay. So when you divide 217 by 14, then you will get height. Then height should be, that is 50.5 centimeter height. So this is the height DE. Okay, you can say DE, height or altitude of that parallelogram. So what is the height of altitude? That is 15.5 centimeter. Okay, so the parallelogram ABCD, whose if altitude is 15.5 and height is 14, then we will get the area of the parallelogram. Now write. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. In question number 7, two questions, first and second. So first of all, read question number 7 first. We have to find the area of these triangles. Now we have to find what is the area of the given triangles. If the perpendicular side of right angle triangle are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter, then we have to find what is the area of that triangle. Question number 7. First, draw a triangle A, B, C. Perpendicular side of the right angle triangle are, let this is 8 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. They AB and BC are known as a perpendicular side. Why? Because right angle is made up with the help of AB and BC. That's why these are known as a perpendicular sides. So area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base is BC and height is AB. 1 by 2, what is the BC? 6 and AB is 8 centimeter. Now 2 3 is 6, 3 into 8, that is 8 6 is 24. Then particular centimeter or centimeter square. Area, when we will find area, then their unit will be centimeter square. Okay? Next, second. Question number 7, second part. In which it is given that the base and the height of a triangle are given. So now, what is the given? Base. What is the base? That is 12 centimeters. Okay? And height. What is the height of the triangle? That is 7.2 centimeters. We know that area of triangle. What is area of triangle? That is 1 by 2 base multiplied height. So base is given, that is 12 centimeter. And what is the height? 7.2 centimeter. 2 6 are 12. Multiply this. 6 2 are 12. After one, this decimal is here now. So put the decimal. And therefore the area will be 43.2 centimeter square. Write down. Okay. Now after this, see question number 8. Question number 8. Now, in question number 8, the area of a right angle triangle. This type of triangle, that is right angle triangle. A, B, C. What is given? Length of its base. Base is BC. BC is given, and the area is also given. Area is 54 centimeter square, and its base is given, that is 12 centimeter square. Now area triangle, that is 1 by 2 base multiplied have to find what is the height of that triangle, and its area is 54 centimeters. Okay, so 2 6 are 12. 6 into height. When 6 move on that side, then it should be in divided form. 6 9 are 54. So what is the height of that triangle whose area is 54 centimeters, the base is 12 centimeters, their height should be 9 centimeters. So like this we have to solve this problem. I doubt. Next, question number 9. In question number 9, also there will be 2 questions in which diagram are given. Question number 9. First, draw the figure of the given triangle. See, 5 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find what is the area of triangle, in which, see, height is 5 centimeter and base 8 centimeter. What is the area of triangle? The area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. Base is 8 and height is 5. 2 4 are 8. 5 4 are 20 centimeter square. What is the area? That is 20 centimeter square. Write down. Next, same question number 9, second part. So in second part, draw the figure. That is A, B, C, and their perpendicular or altitude is given 15 millimeter and base is 70 millimeter. D. First of all, write down what is given. So altitude or height, that is AD. What is AD? 15 millimeter. And their base, what is the base? That is DC, and base is given 70 millimeter. The given figure is a triangle. So what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is 1 by 2 base multiplied altitude of height. Both are same. Base you can write as a BC multiply AD. What is the BC? BC is given 70 and AD is 50. divide 35. When 35 multiply by 15, then 5 to 5. What is the unit? Millimeter now. So we will write millimeter square by square millimeter. So that is the area of triangle whose base are 70 millimeter and altitude are 50 millimeter. Okay. Now write down. So now in this exercise we will discuss about area of triangle and area of parallelogram. You have to learn this formula. What is the area of parallelogram? That is base multiplied by altitude or base multiplied by height. What is the area of triangle? That is 1/2 base multiplied by altitude or 1/2 base multiplied by height. So like this you will find what is the area of triangle or what is the area of parallelogram, what is the area of rhombus. Okay, thank you.